Yes, my name is Septian Fatidul Ajab. I'm studying in Physical Education Department Semarang State University. I want to tell you about blow in the boxing. The boxing have 4 blow. First, jab. Jab is a long blow and the fast and to the face. Two, straight in the long blow and then to the fast. Three, uppercut. Uppercut is short blow and then to the seam. For hook blow. Hook blow is the short blow and then to the handstand. Example: jab, straight, uppercut, hook. Okay guys, thank you and see you.